Right now, inside your body, millions of tiny decisions are being made without you ever noticing. Every heartbeat, every breath, every step is sending messages through an invisible network. Most people believe walking is simply a way to burn a few calories. They imagine fat disappearing only while they're moving. But that's not what your body is really doing. In reality, every daily walk quietly teaches your body how to produce energy more efficiently. It begins changing systems you can't see, rewriting patterns that may have existed for years. And the most surprising part, the biggest changes often happen long after your walk is over. Because what happens next completely changes the way you think about metabolism. Imagine your body as an enormous city. Your heart is the power station. Your blood vessels are highways. Your muscles are busy factories. Your hormones are messengers racing from one department to another, carrying instructions that keep everything running smoothly. Every day, this city must decide where to get its energy. Should it burn the fuel that's immediately available? Or should it unlock the huge storage warehouses filled with fat? That decision isn't random. It's based on thousands of tiny signals arriving every second. Your body isn't lazy. It isn't stubborn. And it certainly isn't trying to make fat loss impossible. It's simply responding to the information you give it every single day. When you walk consistently, you're sending the same message over and over again. We need reliable energy. At first, the message is small, but your body listens. And this is where it gets interesting. The moment you begin walking, your muscles wake up like factories opening for the morning shift. They immediately ask for fuel. The easiest energy source is the glucose already circulating in your bloodstream. Your muscles pull it in, almost like workers unloading trucks before opening the warehouse. At the same time, your heart beats a little faster. Your breathing becomes deeper. Blood starts flowing more quickly through muscles that may have been sitting still for hours. Nothing dramatic happens on the outside. But inside, traffic is increasing everywhere. Fresh oxygen arrives. Nutrients move faster. Waste products are cleared away more efficiently. Your body isn't trying to burn fat yet. It's preparing the roads before sending heavier traffic through the system. Think about cleaning a highway before thousands of delivery trucks arrive. That's exactly what your circulation is doing. But here's the part most people miss. This preparation is just as important as the fat burning itself. Without it, the rest of the system can't work efficiently. As the minutes pass, something subtle begins to change. Your muscles keep asking for energy. The easily available fuel slowly becomes less convenient. Now your body faces a choice. Should it continue relying on quick supplies, or should it begin unlocking stored energy? Tiny hormonal messengers begin carrying new instructions. Insulin levels gradually become lower. Other signals become more active. Your body starts opening doors that were mostly closed only a few minutes earlier. Fat cells receive the message. Stored energy may soon be needed. This isn't an emergency. It's simply smart planning. Imagine thousands of storage warehouses spread throughout a city. For most of the day, their doors stay closed. But when factories keep requesting supplies, managers begin unlocking those doors before the shelves become empty. Your fat cells behave in a surprisingly similar way. They don't panic, they respond. And this changes everything. This is where most people stop. But this is exactly where your body is just getting started. As your daily walks become a habit, your muscles begin changing from the inside. They aren't simply becoming stronger. They're becoming better at producing energy. Inside nearly every muscle cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. You can think of them as miniature power stations. Every step gives them another small training session. Not by exhausting them, but by challenging them just enough to improve. Over time, your body quietly builds more of these tiny power stations. The ones you already have become more efficient. Instead of wasting fuel, they begin extracting more energy from every available source. That includes stored fat. Now watch this. The improvement isn't limited to your muscles. Your blood vessels become more flexible. Your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood. Your lungs deliver oxygen with less effort. Even your nervous system starts coordinating movement more smoothly. It's almost as if every department inside your body's city begins communicating better. Traffic flows with fewer delays. Energy arrives exactly where it's needed. Less effort produces better results. This is metabolism rebuilding itself. Not through one dramatic workout, but through hundreds of quiet conversations happening inside your body every day. Research has consistently shown that regular walking improves insulin sensitivity. That means your cells become better at responding to insulin's instructions, allowing glucose to move where it's needed instead of lingering in the bloodstream. Studies have also found improvements in mitochondrial function, circulation, and overall metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch smoothly between burning carbohydrates and burning fat, depending on the situation. That phrase may sound technical, but the idea is actually simple. A flexible metabolism is like a hybrid engine. Sometimes it runs on one fuel, sometimes another. The important part is that it can switch without struggling. Many people unknowingly lose that flexibility after years of inactivity. Their bodies become accustomed to depending on quick energy almost all the time. Daily walking gently teaches the system how to switch again. No force, no panic. Just practice. And here's the part most people never hear. Your body remembers. Every walk leaves behind tiny adaptations. One walk may not seem important. Neither does the second, or the fifth. But eventually those small changes begin stacking together. One stronger mitochondrion becomes thousands. One slightly healthier blood vessel becomes an entire network. One improved hormonal response becomes a daily pattern. These changes are nearly invisible, until one day, your body starts producing energy more efficiently without you even noticing. You're not working harder. Your internal systems simply became better organized. Think of it like upgrading an old factory. Replacing one machine doesn't change much. Replacing hundreds transforms the entire operation. Consistency creates the transformation, not intensity. But there's another side to this story. What happens when those daily signals never arrive? Your body doesn't become broken. It becomes efficient in a different direction. Muscles request less energy because they aren't being challenged. Mitochondria receive fewer reasons to improve. Blood vessels lose some of their flexibility. The body becomes comfortable with doing only what's necessary. Again, it's not failing. It's adapting. Your body always adapts. The question is, what is it adapting to? This is why walking matters far beyond calorie burn. Every walk is information. Every step is a signal. Every consistent day tells your body what kind of future to prepare for. And this is where everything comes together. For years, many people believed metabolism was something fixed, something determined by age, or genetics, or luck. Those things certainly play a role. But metabolism is also remarkably responsive. It's constantly listening, constantly adjusting, constantly learning from your daily habits. You aren't fighting your body. You're teaching it. You're showing it which systems deserve investment, which energy pathways should become stronger, which fuel sources should become easier to access. The body responds exactly as an intelligent system should. Not instantly, but faithfully. Week after week, your daily walk becomes more than exercise. It becomes a conversation, a quiet agreement between you and your biology. Your muscles become more efficient. Your circulation becomes smoother. Your hormones communicate more clearly. Your energy factories multiply. Your metabolism gradually becomes less reactive and more resilient. Eventually, something remarkable happens. Walking no longer feels like you're forcing your body to change. It feels like your body has started working with you. That's the transformation most people never see. Not because it isn't happening, but because it's happening beneath the surface. Your body isn't broken. It never stopped trying to protect you. It simply responds to the signals it receives most often. Walking is one of the clearest signals you can send. Not a signal of punishment, not a signal of urgency. A signal that says, we're going to need energy regularly. And your body quietly answers, I'll be ready. So the next time you head out for a walk, remember this. You're doing far more than taking steps. You're rebuilding thousands of invisible systems that will support you tomorrow, next month, and years from now. Every step is a message, every walk is a lesson, and every day of consistency teaches your metabolism to become a little stronger, a little smarter, and a little more efficient than it was before. Now I'd love to hear from you. What surprised you most about what happens inside your body during a simple daily walk? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this changed the way you think about walking, keep exploring, because your body has many more hidden stories waiting to be discovered.